Namaste. Let us look at few modifications and variations in Prasarita Padottanasana. Now for this you have to take a jump and take distance between your feet. Now this distance depends upon the height of the person. So if the height is more, the distance will be a little bit more. If the height is less, the distance will be a little bit less. Now from here, raise both the hands up, inhale, and as you exhale, bend forward, keeping both the palms in between the feet and bending down as much as you can, trying to place the crown closer to the mat. Now slowly come up and relax. This is the final posture of Prasarita Padottanasana. Now in case your student is not able to go down and keep the palm in between the feet, for them you can ask them to keep the hands a little bit forward on blocks. So for example, he is keeping the blocks in front, inhaling, raise both the hands up, exhale, bend forward, keeping the palms on the block, keeping the back straight as you go down, look down. If you are not able to look down, you can keep the back straight and look forward. Come up slightly and keep looking forward. This is also a modification in Prasarita Padottanasana. Slowly come up and release. So this is Prasarita Padottanasana A. We have 3 more variations. The second variation is where you keep both the palms on the back and elbows closer together. So if you can see, the elbows should not go wide, they should come back as much as they can. Now inhale here, open up your chest and exhale, bend forward, trying to keep both the elbows closer, not wide apart. Very good. Slowly come up. Now this was the Prasarita Padottanasana B. Now from here, you can interlock the fingers behind the back and straighten your elbows, bend forward as much as you can. If you can take these hands lower, it is better. If you are not able to do, it's completely fine. As much as you can, go down and slowly again come up. Relax your hands. This is the Prasarita Padottanasana C, another variation. And the last variation is where you inhale, raise both the hands up, exhale, bend forward, hold the big toes. So you are holding the big toes, pulling yourself towards the legs, taking the elbows outwards. So there is an M shape forming with your hands and your head. Very good. Now slowly release and come up. Relax your hands. These are the variations. Now in case you are not able to do all these variations, you can interlock the elbows behind your back and you can bend forward as much as you can. This is a modification in Prasarita Padottanasana. If you want to increase the stretch, what you can do, you can keep the palms behind the legs as well. You can pull yourself down more and keep the palms behind. You can hold the ankles. You can pull yourself more and more. Slightly bend your knees. It's completely fine. Very good. Slowly release and come back. So these were all the variations and modifications for Prasarita Padottanasana. Thank you.